Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of dual sport motorcycles with the all-new 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300. Renowned for its versatility, lightweight handling, and off-road capability, the KLX 300 has long been a favorite among riders who want a bike that can tackle trails as easily as it handles the streets. The 2026 model refines this winning formula, making it more capable and enjoyable for riders of all skill levels. Let's take a closer look. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KLX 300 sticks to its rugged dual sport identity while sharpening its overall look. Kawasaki has introduced sleeker bodywork with a slimmer profile, giving it a more aggressive stance. The updated LED headlight not only improves nighttime visibility, but also adds a modern touch. New graphics and fresh color schemes keep the bike looking bold and ready for adventure. It's a design that appeals equally to commuters and weekend trail riders. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the KLX 300 continues to feature the reliable 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of smooth power and responsive torque. The 6-speed transmission ensures flexibility whether you're navigating city traffic or climbing steep dirt trails. Kawasaki has refined the fuel injection system for better throttle response and slightly improved fuel efficiency. With its lightweight chassis, long travel suspension, and dual-purpose tires, the 2026 KLX 300 remains a true go-anywhere machine. Safety and technology. The KLX 300 is built with simplicity and reliability in mind, but Kawasaki has made a few thoughtful updates. The digital LCD display is brighter and easier to read, offering quick access to essential riding information. Braking performance has been enhanced with updated pedal-style disc brakes for improved stopping power on both pavement and dirt. The bike also comes with improved ergonomics, ensuring comfort for longer rides. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300 continues to be one of the most versatile dual-sport bikes on the market. With refreshed styling, subtle performance upgrades, and Kawasaki's proven durability, it's the perfect choice for riders who want adventure without compromise. Whether you're carving through city streets or exploring rugged trails, the KLX 300 is ready to deliver. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and updates on the rides that matter most.